Hey guys, it's your boy Lamankano here live once again. Welcome to another video of mine today. It's another Keycap reveal. I know, it's been a long time. It's been a long time, and honestly, I'm so happy that I'm able to continue this. Honestly, it's not going to last long because like I said, these arrived pretty late. Like the last ones I've done, they were pretty much my last batch ever, and so these ones are kind of like really came in really late. I ordered these like a few months ago, so they're now finally coming in, and I'm just so happy. Anyways, today, please leave a like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff again, and I got something else from Uber Keys. Bam! It kind of arrived like this in a little cardboard box. And not only that, they sent me a letter. And basically what it says is, hello there, if you're in a hurry, you can stop reading here, otherwise you can keep going, and we hope to bring a smile to your face. I already read it, but basically it's just telling us the whole process of how it came to be. And honestly, I really appreciate it. It's very nice. You can read it on the screen if you like. But anyways, let's get to the main thing. Boom. I love this 3D packaging thing here. I'm not even sure what this is supposed to hold, because it's literally an empty thing. It only works if you have bubble wrap in it to be secure. But essentially what I have here is okay, I didn't break. A Piranha Plant. I know. Piranha Plant keycap. You wouldn't tell if this is a keycap or not, but it looks fantastic, honestly. Like, look, you can't even tell. It blends in so well. There's no like thing here. It could go in any sort of profile, to be honest with you. Obviously, these are mainly for the escape keys or number keys. But man, it's so nice. Like, it's so refined and detailed. I don't know how to describe it to you guys. Like, the teeth is phenomenal. The paint job's amazing. Like, everything is just so detailed. Even the leaves. I'm not sure you guys can see that. But it's fantastic. Like, I don't even know how else to show it to you. Because it's so detailed and so fun. It feels like I'm holding a real thing, you know? Wow. Like, the paint job's insane. Like, I don't even know if it's hand painted or not, or manufactured, but it's good. Thank you, Uber Keys. Thank you. Honestly, I appreciate this a lot. Wow. And yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, please leave a like and subscribe once again. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but again, this whole theme, I had a scary marine type. I think this is more like in the miscellaneous or perhaps scary theme because of the theme and how kind of creepy it is. Honestly, it looks nice. I'm really hoping to see how it looks through the lights. It seems pretty not transparent, so I don't think the lights are going to help in any way or shape or form. However, it's quite nice. Like, honestly, this is a great looking keycap. Thank you so much. Anyways, if you guys like this stuff, please leave a like and subscribe. Cheers.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?